guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this truth or dare filter on Instagram and how to use this filter. So to use this filter, just press and hold the camera button, and if you are in hands-free mode, you just have to touch the camera button for once. Got the question and you have to answer. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can use this filter, and to get this effect you can visit the creator profile. Roy is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock all his filter to your camera tray. He's having some awesome filter. So check in his filter gallery, and this is the filter, truth or dare. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter and use this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.